Madeline. I am the writer and director of Nightingale Won't Remember by Tomorrow. This is my first time doing a student written directed thing, full length with PDP. So this is very exciting for everyone to show up and come. So I kind of just wanted to make a little announcement first of all for everyone to please make sure that your phones are silenced and turned off. And if anyone needs to use the restroom, if you go out that door in the back and kind of walk around as if you're about to walk out the front doors and go left instead, there is a room that is for single-use bathrooms. So just in case anyone needs to use it, make sure to please keep the aisles clear and masks on, please. And I see everyone already has. And yeah, that basically is really all I needed to say to you. So just sit back, enjoy the show, and we're very happy to have you here. So thank you very much.
Gray's mirror, check. Arielle's candles, check. Now, where did I put that blasted dog statue? Oh well, must be in the bedroom already.
Everything set for the party, dear?
Yeah, the table sure is, but I must be missing some of our newer acquisitions. I can't remember where I put them for the life of me. But I need to hide them before our company arrives.
David, we should really be more careful with having friends over after taking things from their homes. Lest they notice one of these days. We should ask Arielle to host next time in her young apartment. Or better yet, take a look at a rejuvenation catalog.
Please. She lives in a glorified dorm room. And besides, on the decor front, Columbia would never give me the raise I need to furnish this place.
Well,
Damn stubborn budgets.
maybe be talking to the dean, and we'll see what happens.
Katherine.
What? You are a tenured professor after all. At least take the lamp off his desk while you're at it.
Oh, shit.
I'm sure they won't notice. Let's not keep them waiting. Hurry, dear.
You do it. I need to put all this away.
Of course. Hello, come in. The taller, more handsome Blake is just tidying up in the room over. Please come in, make yourselves comfortable. Drinks, anyone?
I would love a Pinot Grigio. My partner Franklin, you remember Franklin? He is on the longest trip to Paris for his seminar, and not being able to read him is killing me. What is it about planes that makes me so damn antsy?
No, airplanes are terrifying. Thank God I already live in New York, so I don't have to fly back and forth for auditions. I'd have a freaking heart attack all the time. Do you have red?
I do.
Good evening, everyone. So nice to see you all. I hear Catherine's getting drinks. That's great. Dinner's nearly ready.
Great.
Come, shall we sit?
I hope you don't mind the intimate evening, everyone. Natalie and Theodore couldn't make it.
Oh, how come?
They had tickets to some opera or another. Beats me why they'd want to miss out on our little soiree.
Hey, weren't we promised wine?
Well, it's a good thing we have these little get-togethers then all the time, isn't it? We'll see the gardeners another evening.
I, however, wouldn't miss this for the world. David, what the hell are you doing?
Nothing. I thought I saw a fly.
Hey, you really have to stop grading your students' papers late at night. bags under your eyes they're turning aubergine.
Greg, really? Is that so necessary?
There are no such color.
Hush, Arielle. David, are you sure you aren't losing your mind? You're acting a bit like a madman.
No, you're right. I'm very, very, very tired. I must be hallucinating things out of the corner of my eye.
Maybe it's all the wine you drank before the party.
Catherine, your husband's becoming a lunatic.
Is he now?
He's hallucinating right here in the living room.
Behave yourself.
Can you believe this guy?
Anyways, Kate, dear, how's the business going?
Stellar, actually. We're considering opening a new location in Brooklyn because so many people have been taking the subway just to come to the cafe.
That's great, Kate. Are you gonna do it?
I don't know. Paying 3 installments of rent a month would be a lot. Maybe in a couple years, 85 is a good goal. It all depends. Anyway, Arielle dear, how are you doing?
Well, I'm in the process of rearranging my apartment now that my boyfriend's moving in, and we're thinking of getting a ferret.
Ew.
Oh!
You know, it's funny. I'm missing a few of my favorite things. No idea where they went.
Killer.
Anyways, rehearsals for The Importance of Being Earnest have been going great. Did I tell you that I got cast as Gwendolyn Fairfax?
Wow.
It's my biggest role yet.
That's so great to hear.
Say, where are we gonna have dinner?
I've
or-
been meaning to mention this introductory class to Shakespeare, Arielle. The students, they want me to put on a theater production of As You Like It, since they love reading it so much. Arielle, that might be something you'd be interested in?
Absolutely.
So, Greg, how are things over at the Met?
I'm so glad you asked. We've been making tons of new acquisitions recently. Some ancient Greek vases, a musical instrument from India, tons of European paintings, my favorite of which has to be the new Gustav Klimt, Portrait of Serena Lederer, 1899. Say, now that I think of it, Kate, the painting looks just like you.
Oh, I'm flattered. Do you happen to have a photograph of it, or?
Actually, yes, I do. I have the acquisition notes in my bag. We just went over the revisions for the publication this morning. I'll get it. Don't worry. I got it.
Yes.
Um,
Oh, wow.
Oh. Butterfingers. What is the meaning of this?
What do you mean?
What do I mean? Is this not my Picasso statue? Untitled. Custom made in Chicago and everything. I had just been showing everyone at last weekend's dinner. Remember? What is it doing here?
Surely there's been a mistake.
Gosh, Greg, I'm so sorry. I truly have no idea how this got here. I think it must have accidentally came with me, you know? I think the Prozac I just started has been affecting my brain. Listen, I feel embarrassed saying this, but I've been going to a doctor now for some months, and I've been suffering from memory loss. And I didn't think to tell my friends, and I didn't think my life would end up like this. Humanity.
Okay. Hey, David. It's okay. You know what? You can have it. I can get another one. I know a guy who works off commission.
Damn it! Is that where my candles went? You took them? And my golden telescope? Where is that?
I'm so sorry.
No need to worry, everyone, really. He is in the early stages
No,
of getting
really,
treatment.
look, I'm sorry. If you want the stuff back, then by all means, take it back.
You know what? No. It's fine. You keep it. Just please try and get better?
We're here for you, David.
Jeez, got a motor, need to get to rehearsal, don't want to run late. Oh, show's next weekend, everybody come. After party at my place.
Hey there.
Yeah, you know, actually, I should probably get going too. Being Arielle's right and all, but next weekend, let's make it happen.
Yeah, have a good night.
Have a good one.
See you
Bye.
next weekend.
Yep.
That failure of a dinner was embarrassing.
You don't think I know that?
You know, I am glad that Greg brought up that portrait, though. That photograph you showed us is just beautiful.
Really?
Yes. I wish you would have painted me like that back when we were younger and you were
Yeah, a painter. Well, I couldn't paint people very well, and I couldn't make any money off of it. It was taking time away from my studies.
I just wish that would have...
I get it. Okay? I never painted you. I never painted anything beautiful. I'm a failure of a man and everyone can see it clear as fucking day.
That's not what I'm trying to say. Look, dear. Maybe it's time you stop stealing from your friends. They were bound to notice one of these days. For Christ's sake, I'm surprised that none of them confronted you about their missing things before.
All right, rub it in. I, David Blake, am a failure of a man and cannot do anything right. I can't even succeed in my own thievery.
Fine. Okay. You're right. There must be a way around this. A way to make it not personal. I have an idea. I want that painting.
Excuse me?
You know the ins and the outs of the Met since you've been there so many times to visit Greg. You know how to steal, of course, and for the most part evade suspicion. Only somewhere between 5 to 10% of stolen art is ever recovered. Prosecution is very rare. And then you won't be stealing directly from your friends now, will you?
How do you know so much about art crimes? Now, honestly, you know what? That's not it. I messed up enough.
Just think about it. Clearly your friends will notice if you keep taking things from them. And this would be such a great addition to the space. It'll fit right here. Perfectly.
Stealing from my best friend's workplace, right after I get caught stealing from his home, just makes me seem like a terrible friend.
You can't do this one last thing for me. You no longer love me, that's it. Am I not worth it? I just want us to be happy, David. And this would bring our home so much joy.
Fine. And I do. Love you, I mean. I love you.
All right, need a plan, a great plan. That memory loss spiel you gave was decent, is it true?
No, of course not. I think I'd remember telling you. I'm still as bright as a ball. I just keep that one on the back burner for confrontations like these. Who can blame a forgetful old man like me, right?
Of course. So, if you're caught, you blame it on the memory loss spiel. You get in there, you need to get the painting into your bag. I think Greg's little pamphlet said it was 6 feet by 3 feet. So maybe you have a full-size cello case and then you'll put
cello? Where on earth do you think I'd find a cello right now, Catherine?
No, dear. You just say it's a cello, in case anyone inquires about the bag.
Oh.
Maybe it's extra large because you keep your sheet music in there. My, what a heavy binder you have.
I suppose.
So, you get in there, you pluck the painting off the wall, into the bag it goes, and then you need to get the hell out of there.
And you're sure this is a great plan?
We need to go to the thrift store and get you a security uniform and a cello bag. Let's make you look like the best goddamn security guard the Metropolitan Museum of Art has ever seen.
Check. Check. Okay, looking good. Oh, you're looking really good. Yeah. And check. Okay. Yeah. Check. Hey. Oh, lunch time! Yeah!
Afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon to you too.
I just came back to grab my lunch. You gonna cover my shift? I don't think we met before. Normally Roger covers me on Saturdays. So weird.
No, actually, I just got off my morning shift. I wanted to pass through here to see all of the new things we got.
For me, right?
Yeah.
All those were sure great at painting pretty ladies. You should guitar?
What? Oh, no, this is a cello. I'm on my way to teach orchestra sectionals at Columbia. I'm a music professor there.
Dude, that's totally severe. Yeah. I knew that thing was too big to be a guitar. I was all like, ain't no way they make guitars that big.
Yeah, I gotta go.
Yo, can I see it? I've never seen a cello before, bro. This is so cool, bro. Wow. How long have you been shredding, bro? It's not yours.
No, it's not.
You don't work here.
No.
I'm gonna have to, you're under arrest? Man, dude. You know, this is like kind of a once in a lifetime event for me, dude.
What?
You know, normally, our dudes never get caught. Unlucky you. No, I wonder if this will make me famous. I should call the police.
Shit.
And then the New York Times.
Jesus Christ, not this shit.
Oh, dude, don't even try it, dude. I'm gonna make history, bro. Good luck in court, idiot.
Well, if you're standing here in this room with me.
Jail was purely awful, thanks for asking. And the trial, they suggested I take some experimental clinical trial for my memory ailment instead of doing time in prison. What a disgrace.
What? That's good, right?
Yeah, I suppose, but why is there television in here?
Well, if I'm being honest, I brought the television in here so that I could be here right when you got home, and they're not showing the trial. They're just talking about it, so I had no idea what was going on with you.
I can't believe this.
What the hell is going on here?
We have to go, right now.
What are you talking about?
The whole thing was terrible. I told my crook lawyer to figure this out for himself, and what does he do? He brings some crack doctor onto the stand with some whole story about how he's been seeing me for years. And he goes on and on about these new clinical trials for these mystery fucking memory disorders. And get this, the trials, they're real, and they're in fucking Oregon. I'm not going to Oregon. And the owner of the Met, whatever his name was, his lawyer really tried to shut down the beginning of the trial by telling everyone I got caught red-handed and that we were wasting our goddamn time. Did you get that part? And then my genius fucking lawyer decides to tell everyone, hey, maybe I'm not even competent to stand trial. In the middle of the fucking trial. The things I do for you, I can't believe this.
I never meant for any of this to happen. You know that. I had faith in you.
Maybe it wasn't intentional, getting me arrested, but I am sick and tired of you exploiting my illness for your own self-righteousness.
Excuse
Enabling
me!
me to take shiny things from our friends, furnish our little apartment, and now this fucking museum. It doesn't make the kleptomaniac get any better, it just makes things worse. And now, Greg and Arielle, they want nothing to do with me. It doesn't even matter because we're getting out of here, we're leaving New York, we're changing this now.
How? Where? With what money? What about the apartment and your career, for Christ's
To
sake?
hell with the apartment and my career. That was ruined the minute I walked into that fucking museum. We need to use your family's inheritance.
You know I've never felt comfortable touching that.
Look, I know you were saving that for something great someday. There's no way I can go through with an experiment with pretending to have something that I don't just to excuse what I've done. We're going to Paris.
Paris? After everything you've just said to me, you expect me to go to Paris with you?
Yes. Look. We just need a fresh start, you know? I had Greg get us the next flight out on the first class Lufthansa, and he did it in exchange for never having to talk to me again.
I can't believe you want me to use my deceased parents' hard-earned money for this.
Damn it, Katherine, you owe me. Come on, let's just pack.
Thank you, Jerry. I'm here with the big scoop on the big Met scandal. I've never seen anything like it. Not only is it rare for the art to ever be recovered, it's more even novel for the prosecutor to allow them a mental health day. I'm here at the residence of David Blake himself, our very own King Claudius, awaiting a quote on this outlandish case.
There is no question here. I already liquidated the assets, and Greg's partner said he would help us convert them into francs once we get to Paris. You just have to trust me.
Trust you? This is insane. I had no idea I would be signing up for the runaway life when I married you 20 years ago. Stealing from your friends? Fine. But I thought you were smarter than to get caught like this.
This was your damn idea in the first place! Look, do you want to come with me? Do you want to come with me? Or do you want to get arrested for aiding and abetting my crime too? Shit, they won't all fit.
Fine, let's go.
Get my jacket. Hey, get the fucking open the door.
And there's David Blake and his wife now, sir. Can I please get a quote? When are you leaving for this clinical trial? How do you feel?
Fuck off!
Jerry, back to you.
To see the show. I don't really have anything else to say, so we're really free to go. Have a good night, everybody.
All right, peace.
Cool.